Hello everyone, and on this part of this video I'm going to install the suspension and driveline. Okay, so this installation might require more time than this part because it consists of lots of bag, damper bag, front axle bag, suspension, and so on. So please subscribe and like this video if it's enjoyable for you to watch. It's not that informative, but at least it's animative. What am I saying? But yes, please enjoy the video montage. So here's the final product when the driveline is assembled and the suspension. It seems that my instruction is unreliable. You really need to follow this book, because as you can see, when I take the body shell, you can see that the spring is going backward. So initially on the previous video, I'm very sorry, yes, you need to move this shock tower towards the middle so that it is straight. But I've seen YouTubers who suggest this one to make it a little bit of angle for articulation and droop. So I'm not sure about that. So next, after the suspension and driveline, we will this one, final chassis assembly. Chassis, all the tires, bumpers, and the rock slider. Yes, it should be quick, I suggest. Yes, see you on the next video.